Whew, okay, so let me just start this video off by saying that the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, look, I even got the box right here, the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, that these earbuds right here are a definitely must get. Now, I'm not gonna make you wait until the end of the video to hear me say this. I'm just gonna tell you guys like it is right now. These earbuds are amazing. When I say amazing, I mean amazing. I mean, these have become, at the time of making this video, these have become my favorite go-to earbuds with anything, whether it's watching content, listening to music, playing games, during my workouts. I mean, these have been, I have had an amazing experience with the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. And right now, at the time of making this video, they are still available for pre-order. So I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below, going for 179 bucks. Now, when you compare these to other high-end earbuds that cost a lot more, you're definitely gonna wanna go with these, at least in my opinion. This is just my opinion. I'm no professional when it comes, to earbuds or sound or anything, but I do know what I like, and I definitely love these earbuds right here. They will be available for official sale February 16th, which is about 3 days from today, I believe. So February 16th, you can just right out buy these. You don't have to worry about pre-ordering them. But yes, 179 bucks. And they come in this nice, really nice arbor green color. There is also another color called obsidian black. So it is available in 2 colors. And yeah, they sound amazing. They feel amazing, very comfortable in the ear. Let me just go ahead and throw them in my ears right here. And we'll do a little shake test too here on camera. Very comfortable and they stay very secure in your ear. And that's one reason I love using these during workouts or jogs, because if I'm shaking around a lot, I don't have to worry about these falling out of my ear. I mean, I can try to shake these out of my ear. Whew, got a little bit dizzy there. Let me get back in focus here. My hair probably shaking around like crazy. But yes, they stay nice and secure in your ear. And you do want to make sure you go through the ear tips that come in the box. Whoa, now I can really hear myself. I have the noise canceling turned on with these, so I just sounded really muffled. But you're gonna want to go through the ear tips that do come in the box to really make sure you get that nice secure fit, so you get a really good seal, and it's going to make the noise canceling on these earbuds even better. Now, I will say that the noise canceling, it's good. It's not the best. I'm sure there's other earbuds that are even better, but the noise canceling is pretty good. It's kind of like if you're not listening to music and you just have these in your ears with the noise canceling turned on, you can still kind of hear everything going on around you. It just sounds really really muffled or really muted. But when you're listening to music, that's where the noise canceling, I don't know if it's the noise canceling or because the music, because these get super loud. I mean, if you're looking for a pair of earbuds that are really going to give you that volume, that thumpiness, that bass, but still give you that clarity, I mean, you're not gonna go wrong with these. You will not be disappointed. I'm telling you, these earbuds are amazing. They sound so good. I mean, the clarity's there and the bass. I'm the type that I like a lot. I like to feel the music that I'm listening to, and you get that with these right here. And then you have your different modes you can choose from. You can even customize your own sound. I have customized my own sound to make my music sound a little bit thumpier, a little bit bassier, but still kind of turn up those highs a little bit so it doesn't sound too bassy. I mean, they just sound so good. So all of that volume mixed with the noise cancellation, I mean, you get some true noise cancellation. I mean, you can't hear anything around you at that point, unless of course you do turn on the transparency mode, which works good on here. I've used the transparency mode when maybe there's been times where my wife, she wants to say something to me and I'm wearing these. All I gotta do is just press and hold the stem and it'll switch it to transparency mode or noise cancellation. It'll switch through the modes for you. But that transparency mode pretty much makes it feel like they're not even in my ears, that everything pretty much sounds normal. So definitely works good on here. I wouldn't say it amplifies your hearing. It doesn't really, turn the volume up on, with everything outside of you, but it really makes it feel like you don't even have these earbuds in your ears. And that's another thing, comfort. These are so comfortable. And I gotta be honest, I have never really been the biggest fan of this, stem design. Ever since the AirPods came out, I've always made fun of it. I've never really liked the way it looks. But honestly, with these right here, I really don't mind it because of how comfortable they are. And, it's not the longest stem. It is kind of short and they're just super comfortable. Honestly, they don't even really feel like they're in my ears half of the time. They feel that good. I don't really get I don't get any ear fatigue at all. I can wear these for a super long time. And then when it comes to battery life, with the noise cancellation turned on, you get 39 total hours with it turned off, I should say, 25 hours with the noise cancellation turned on. So that's what the case in the earbuds. You're getting a total amount of up to 25 hours of usage with the noise cancellation turned on. And then with it turned off, a total of 39 hours. Now, if you're just straight using the earbuds without putting them in the case with the noise cancellation turned on, you'll get up to 6 hours. And then with the noise cancellation turned off, you'll get up to 9 hours of just straight usage. So some pretty good battery life on these as well. You're also getting wireless charging. You're getting IPX4 water resistance on these. I mean, amazing earbuds overall. And then you just get them in this really cool color as well. And then you get extreme noise cancellation. You get smart noise cancellation. Then you can even get a personalized noise cancellation as well. It has you do this little hearing test, I guess you would say. But very, very cool. Really nice features on here. You also get a USB Type-C charging port in the back. So if you don't want to wirelessly charge them, you can also plug it in and charge them that way, which obviously will charge these faster. Now, one thing that I liked once setting these up with my device, with my OnePlus 11 right here, is how fast they connected to my device. And not even this right here, but my Pixel 7 Pro as well. I mean, they connected super fast. It's using that Google Fast Connect. So as soon as you open these, they're gonna show up on your Android device. You'll see them kind of open up like this on screen, and then you can connect them that way. So it's definitely very convenient. I mean, you don't have to worry about doing anything else. You don't have to go into the Bluetooth settings and do this and that and this. No, you simply just open these up, boom, they pop up on your device. You connect them and you are good to go. Another thing I like about these is the spatial audio. And it almost, I mean, it works good on these, and it's pretty much what that is. If you're not really sure what that is, it's basically like, okay, I got these in my ears. Say I'm watching something on my phone, okay? Maybe I'm watching a music video or something. If I turn that on, there's a fixed spatial audio, and then there's a head tracking spatial audio. And basically what this is, it's pretty much like the sound stays over here in front of you. The sound stage is right here. And if you turn your head this way, it's almost like you're at a concert. So, you know, you turn your head this way, all the music that you're listening to is coming to this ear now and just faintly coming on this side. And then you turn this way as well. And it's a really cool experience, something you have to experience for yourself. But going into the settings here, so if you do go into your Bluetooth settings and then click on the paired devices, you can go and look at the settings for the OnePlus 11 Buds Pro 2. You can turn on HD media audio. You can turn it on for phone calls, input devices. And a cool thing about this as well is you can have it connected to 2 devices at once, and you can switch in between them seamlessly. It works really, really good. But if you go into earbud functions, it's going to give you the battery percentage of these earbuds and the case as well. So right now, what I'm looking at right now, it's telling me I got 100% on each one and then 40% left on the case. You can be able to turn on the noise canceling. You can turn it off. You can turn on transparency mode through here. Personalized noise cancellation, you can turn that on. You got a Sound Master EQ, so they have a balance setting, a bold setting, which sounds really good as well, Serenade, and a bass setting, which is the one I was using at first until I finally customized my own to my own liking. And they just sound so much better, and it turns up the volume even more. You got a high res mode. I do have that turned on. Play audio in high resolution. You got a golden sound, get studio quality sound customized to your ear canal structure and hearing characteristics. Then of course the spatial audio, like I said, you can turn it off. They have it fixed, or you have a head tracking. And then you have Zen Mode Air. Squeeze and hold the earbud stem for 3 seconds to play white noise. And then you have your earbud controls. I have mine set up to where if I squeeze the left or right earbud once, it'll play and pause, and then double squeeze the left earbud on either one, it'll go to the next, and then triple squeeze to go to the previous track. And then you can squeeze and hold the earbud stem to be able to transition from noise cancellation or transparency mode. And these also have in-ear detection. So if I'm listening to music and maybe I don't want to use that transparency mode, maybe someone's coming up to talk to me, or I just need to take one out because I thought I heard something. As soon as you take one earbud out, it'll automatically pause your music or video for you. And then once you put it back in, it'll automatically keep playing. And it works good. It works every single time. And another thing about these is the latency. There's pretty much no latency when watching content, but I will say when playing games, I didn't really notice too much latency either until I played a game like Apex Mobile, and it seemed to work good throughout the game until it came to shooting a gun. So once you shoot it, you'll hear the sound just a little bit after you press that trigger. But it seemed like everything else was good. Like when I reloaded the gun in the game, it seemed like the volume or the sound was matching right on, but it wasn't until I took a shot and then you heard it just really quickly after. But aside from that, I mean, there doesn't seem to be too much latency with these earbuds right here. But overall, I mean, a great pair of earbuds. Like I said, $179 right now, whether you pre-order them or order them on February 16th. And when you compare these to a lot of other high-end earbuds out on the market right now that cost a whole lot more than these, I mean, it doesn't really make sense to go for those when you can save money and get these and still get a great experience. And no, this is not a sponsored video. They did not ask me to make this video. They're not asking me to say any of the things I'm saying. This is just coming from my own personal experience with the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. I've had an amazing experience. And the case itself it's nice and slim. It's not too bulky, you know, it's not too big or anything. Fits really good in the hands, fits nice in the pocket. You can easily fit this in the bag. It will never get in the way. Really, really nice. And I really like this green color because it goes with my OnePlus 11. But again, you don't have to use it with the OnePlus 11 if you have another device. These will definitely work with that as well. Now, these do also have a Find My Earbud feature as well. So if you happen to lose them, if you do turn that on, it'll basically play a loud noise from these earbuds. Like I said, these earbuds get really loud, and that noise is more than loud enough. If you're close by, you will be able to hear them. So that's always nice because there are times where we do happen to just accidentally drop one and end up losing it. We can easily go into the settings there, turn that feature on, and hopefully find our earbud. Now, when it comes to overall call quality, at least on the other people's end, they have told me, from the people I have used these to talk to, they've told me that they sound good, that they can't even tell I'm talking on a pair of earbuds. They're like, no, you're using your phone. There's no way you're using a pair of earbuds. It's like, no, I'm using my OnePlus Buds Pro 2, just testing them out. So thank you for helping me out with this test. And yeah, so people weren't even able to notice that I was using these earbuds to talk to them on the phone. And the same thing on my end. I mean, they sounded really, really good, nice and clear. I was able to hear them perfectly. So overall, I mean, I know this wasn't too much of a professional review or anything like that. This is just basically me sharing my thoughts with you guys, my experience with the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. I mean, they're great, especially if you're someone who's into fitness and working out a lot. I found these to handle sweat perfectly fine. I didn't find them slipping out of my ears or anything during my workouts or runs, like I said earlier in the video. So, I mean, you definitely won't be disappointed with the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. These are definitely a must get for 179 bucks. Like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description below, but y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. When you are looking for a pair of earbuds, what exactly are you looking for besides sound and comfort? Like, what's the main thing you look for in a pair of earbuds? Do they have to be comfortable for you, or does it come down to battery life for you, or just the overall sound of the earbuds? Because it seems like these days there's a lot of good sounding earbuds out there. So it's really kind of hard to decide which ones you want because so many of them sound good. But like I said, so far these have been my favorite, at least now at the time of making this video. But again, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. I'll have a link down in the description if you do want to pick up a pair for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.